Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're back in Roselle, New Jersey to get another update on how the progress has been going with our renovation. From our last episode, we were doing demolition, and today we are just been informed that framing has been completed. That's pretty exciting because we're now moving completely away from that dentist office layout into that single family layout. And with the framing, we'll be able to restructure the property and the rooms to the way that we like it. So let's see how it looks. All right, so we arrived here at the property. We're greeted with Fernando. He's going to be giving us a little update on what's going on with the property and kind of walk us through everything.
All right, sounds good. Let's go inside there.
Yep. Yeah.
So we have the entire old framing removed. Now we have the opening space with the ceiling of all flush. We have the electricians yesterday removed all the electrical and plumbing. Today we're getting finished the framing, so we can have the plumber and electrician running all the lines and everything. And once we have plumbing and electrical done, we're good to go for the roof inspections. So the only update that we have, we decided to do the entire new HVAC, and also the technical is going to be here tomorrow, running the new ducts and everything.
Gotcha. So now with the reframing, was there any issues that we had with, any type of retaining walls? I know we had that one beam right above here.
Yeah.
Did we replace that? Or?
Yes, actually we graded off that one because that was lower than the ceiling.
Right.
So right now we have this.
To make it all flush.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Because we have the open attic and the basement, we didn't have any surprises because we was able to check everything before we did the demo. So no surprises at all. We just decided to double this area, double the framing, just to make sure that we won't have any troubles with the inspections.
Yeah.
Besides that, we're good to go.
And I know we had a lot of little outlets and stuff because it was a dentist office on the floor. Was that an issue, trying to take all that out? Or
not actually, like I say, because the basement it's open, so it's much easier to remove all the electrical and everything. Even the lights, we have a lot of extra lights in the old layout. Now we are clean. Yeah. So they're all gone.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, so you want to walk us through a little bit of the framing here?
That's gonna be the new kitchen and dining room area. So now we're gonna have the stove right here. The sink is gonna be right there. This is gonna be the dining room area right there. It's gonna be the new living room.
Yeah.
So I'll be open space right here.
And this door, we're gonna be closing this up, right?
This door is gonna get closed. We're gonna leave this open during the construction.
Yeah.
Just make it
airway
easier for us. But after we're gonna close this because the counter is gonna come right around here.
Okay, so the kitchen finishes approximately up here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, and then we'll have the sink right by the door.
Right here. Stove gonna be here in the middle. Refrigerator right there.
Dishwasher's right here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
All right.
And then we'll have a window over here as well, right?
Yes, right here in the same place as the store.
All right, so it's gonna be L shape, and then the island is gonna be sitting right around here.
Right here. Yes.
Okay, and it's all right.
Facing this way.
Awesome, and then we'll have the dining room
right there.
Awesome.
And that's all the living room space.
Yeah.
Here it's the new common bathroom. This one it's the bathroom that we're gonna have the tub. So right here we're gonna have a double vanity in here.
Yeah.
A tub right here in this corner and the toilets against the window.
Yeah. And you think there's gonna be enough clearance with the toilet and the
yes, they're called 16 inches from each side on the toilet.
Awesome. Yeah.
Should be good.
No, I mean, first thing I noticed when I came in here is that this is definitely gonna be a great size bathroom. Families are gonna have plenty of space to,
When we started doing the demo and figuring out the layout, we kind of feel that the bathroom would be too big, but at the end we agreed that that's a very nice size to be in the.
For sure. And the double vanity definitely helps too. All the kids and stuff, they're going to need all that space. So.
Especially close to the kitchen, like a lot of visitors and all that. That's going to be very good. And this one right here across, that's the master bathroom.
Yeah.
Yep. And then the bedrooms, we're basically keeping the same layout as before.
Now over here, was this like a chimney or something? Or
that's where we're gonna run the new vent.
Okay.
So there was an old one right here. We're just gonna replace for new ones because all the plumbing's new in the house.
Yeah.
So since from the stucco, everything from the ground is gonna be brand new.
All right. So new plumbing, new framing, new electrical, new HVAC.
See, trimmings, floors, everything.
Everything.
New. Yep.
So it's gonna be a new home. Nice.
Now we have the two opening for the right here. We just changed this one. We have a very nice size closet. So for both bedrooms, this one it's a little bigger for the master bedroom, and this one is a little bit smaller.
Yes, and I noticed this is a pretty sizable bedroom as well. So.
Yes, that one is the smaller one, but this is very nice size bedroom.
Yeah. Any issues over here? Or
No.
it's pretty simple. It's just we're doing the closet over here.
Yeah.
So
Yep. This one.
well, we did have this. Yeah.
Yeah, we have this one in here. We got this lights that we also getting rid of, and yeah, all the baseboards we've begun. So all the duct work is gonna. It won't be this one because we're gonna run new ones. So maybe the locations will change it, but everything will coming from the ceiling.
So we're gonna have to gut this as well. This whole ceiling.
Yeah, because doing the patches, it's taking more time and it's not gonna look good. So it's better to take all the drywall out and put everything brand new.
Okay. And will it be easier to redo the ductwork, like you're saying, or
no? Because this is an outdated ductwork. It's flex one, so we're doing all the hard pipe. So
okay, all right,
everything brand new.
Looks good. All right, do you want to go to the master then, or? So that was a bigger one too.
This used to be the only bathroom. Actually, the only full bathroom. So that's cool. This is keeping the same as it is. Yeah. And that's the master bedroom.
Yeah, the master bedroom.
Primary bedroom, like they used to say now.
Yeah.
And this is the bathroom.
So was there any issues trying to knock this whole thing out? Because I remember this was the whole, closet.
Actually, this was added later in the construction of the house, so it was much easier to remove than the structural walls if we had to. But
yeah,
we're not doing this case.
Yeah. I mean, it definitely opens up the space a lot more as well, so that's good. And we're going to redo this whole ceiling as well, cut this out.
Same thing. All this that work, it's gone, so everything's going to be new ceiling.
Yeah. And the bathroom layout as well looks pretty good. So the toilet is going to be right here.
We have a nice size vanity, 36 inches.
Yeah.
We're going to have toilet right here and the shower right as well.
Yeah. And this, okay, so it's going to be a standing shower, or this is going to be a tub as well?
No,
okay. So the master is going to be a standing, and this is going to be a tub.
Tub, yes.
Yeah. Okay, good to know. All right, so do you want to walk us through the basement now, and then we'll just, that should be it then. So epoxy flooring.
Yep.
Painting the walls white, ceilings black. Do you want to walk me through this part? And we'll just...
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. This is going to go away. So, but bring everything.
So we're going to take away all this stuff over here?
Because we're not using this anymore.
Yeah.
Now it's going to be a new one. And the water, the water heater, we also can bring to this corner because the sump pump, we can change it.
Yeah.
There's no way to change it.
So we're going to move all the utilities by the sump pump. Just keep it all compact to the side.
This is not a stain.
We don't need we need the water softener or not? Okay.
No.
Yeah.
No, we don't. And that's where we're going to...
And we'll have enough clearance with the panels and all that because you don't need to move that, right?
Yes. I need 2 feet from the front, but I can put on the side.
Yeah. Is there a reason why there's 2 or?
Yeah, because they have a lot of stuff from the machinery. So they have, this is a main one. And instead of going bigger, they...
this is for the equipment, I'm assuming?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's for the equipment.
So we can take that out now or? Okay.
Yeah, I would check with the electricians if you want to put a bigger panel because this one is already basically full. So if we're getting rid of this one, we need a bigger panel. But
I mean, if we need
work on the floor, that's where we're gonna cut the concrete because we're replacing this the drain system and everything from the ground. Okay, because my plumber he hates to keep old stuff, so if he rather get everything brand new, then in the future, once next year we got an issue in here, we gotta cut the concrete, so it's better to do it now.
So we're gonna have all the plumbing from the 2 bathrooms and the kitchen come down through here, drain down into.
But they won't come in the middle of the basement anymore. They're gonna go against the wall.
So it's a lot of that.
That's killing the space in the basement. So now they're gonna go there, then it's gonna run right here.
Yeah. Looks good. So so now we're gonna finish up framing, which just besides the.
Yeah, today it's done. The furnace.
We're gonna have to. When are you gonna expect to gut the bedrooms?
I don't gonna go right now because we have the dumpster full and I want a mess in the house. Yeah. So I'm gonna let the electrician and the plumbing cut whatever they want, and they're gonna do a bunch of it, and after we remove the remaining pieces from it.
Okay. So so we're gonna do electricity work and plumbing, and that's it. And after that, it's finishes.
And then
sheetrock and then finishes.
Yeah. First I gotta double check with them if they're gonna require me insulation inspections because we took half of the insulation from the city. I don't think they will.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna ask them.
So if you remove half, or if you gut half the house, you have to redo insulation. That's the rules.
The problem is I'm not taking the entire insulation. It's not half of the insulation of the house because the walls is still the same. It's just the one on the ceiling, and they can specs later because the attic is open.
Yeah.
I don't think we require you to do an insulation inspection. I think they're gonna require plumbing, mechanical, and fire, and all these rough ones. but I think they will let me after the framing go to the final inspection.
But installation's easy. You just
Yeah, it's easy. The problem that it's inspection, and then
why are they doing an inspection on that? It's just to make sure that's properly.
yes, installation is we really need the inspections. I don't think we're gonna need it in this case because the problem is I gotta go for all the inspections, get approved, and then I can call for the installation one, and that's gonna take us probably like minimum 7 days between approved from the framing one to the approved for this installation. So if we jump this one and they let us do it, it's at least 1 week. We are fine.
Okay, that's fine. Do you know where roughly we're gonna wall this off? Because are we walling it off or no?
No, we're not because we're not finishing the basement.
Yeah.
So like the mechanicals will be. I would like to have this window.
Just tucked to the side?
Yes.
Okay.
So it'll be like this, and then the.
But we're not gonna wall it off.
No, we're not.
All right, that's fine.
And we're having the plumbing done in the basement.
Yeah.
Like all the drain and everything gonna be underground. Whenever we'll then know that we have everything underneath.
Yeah, and laundry is gonna stay in the same place then, or
We don't have plans for long, but like I said,
why don't we just keep it the same place then, right? Or
we can.
yeah.
Yeah, that's not a problem.
Yeah.
We could just say that change this one for those nice ones.
Oh yeah.
That's very expensive.
Yeah.
So that's it.
So thanks to Fernando, it seems like everything is going extremely smoothly with today's update. Framing went completely perfect with no hiccups, which is great to hear. And then we're gonna be redoing all of the plumbing, all the electrical, mechanicals, everything. So it's gonna be completely brand new, which is great to hear that this is all gonna be in within our budget because it's gonna make it really nice for the next buyer that's gonna be coming in and make it their home to live in. So reflecting on today's update, I'm extremely happy with how everything is going and I'm excited to see the next update when it comes to the electrical, plumbing, and mechanicals and the new sheetrock. And make sure you guys are subscribed and like and comment down below if you want to see anything else with this property. If you have any specific questions that you want me to answer and we can highlight more of. But like I said, make sure you subscribe and follow along because we're going to keep posting these updates as we're coming along, and you're going to see how we're going to be turning this dentist office into a single family home where a family is going to be able to enjoy this for generations. So I'm extremely excited to see how this is going to turn out, and you guys should be as well. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.